Grade. Today is Friday, April 3rd. I hope you all enjoyed the snow. It's all white and beautiful outside my window today. Um, just a few things to let you know about. Today we are going to try another live stream video chat with each other. Only a few people made it to the last one, so we're going to try again today. Today we're going to do 1 o'clock to see if maybe that time works better for people. It is not required that you join, but I really hope that all of you do because I would love to see your faces. I really miss you guys. So it's going to be 1 o'clock today. A few minutes before 1 o'clock, I will post the link to the live stream, and I'm going to put it today in Google Classroom. So you'll find it if you open up your Google Classroom and you look in your stream. It should be the first thing you see in your stream just a few minutes before 1 o'clock. I'll put it in there then. So that's our big news for today. In other news, here are some things we're working on. In math, we're going to practice the skills that we worked on yesterday about um, customary units of weight. We're going to practice that in IXL. So that is your task today, to practice that and then spend some time either on Sundog or Prodigy. In literacy today, you have two big tasks. You're going to work on your research project. So remember, we're not writing a 5-paragraph essay for this. I'm not asking you to do that. We're going to create a slides kind of project. So Miss Grant, Miss Blue, and I made an exemplar for you that you can look at, and that is linked in Literacy Today. So that kind of gives an example of about how many slides we're looking for, about the kind of information that we're looking for. So again, not a 5-paragraph essay. You don't even have to have a thesis statement for this. You can if you want to, but this is just a little bit lighter of a research project. But you do have to have two sources. So that means you have to go on the internet, you have to find information about your sources. Your sources can't just be, well, I've played video games all my life, so I already know what I think. You have to find credible sources. And we had the excuse me, the Pear Deck the other day that talked about how to evaluate those sources and make sure that they're credible and that they're that they're trustworthy and that you can use that information. So make sure that when you choose your two resources, your last slide of your presentation is going to be a resources slide, and all I'm looking for is just the link, the web address of that source that you chose. So your task today in literacy is to make your title slide and your resources slide. And then if you're ready to get more into making the other slides today, that's great. If not, do a little research, at least be thinking about how you're going to do that, be ready. And then we'll have Tuesday and Wednesday next week to finish up this project. So it is due the end of Wednesday. So that's what we're going to do in literacy today. Also making another page for your COVID-19 journal. Today's topic is describe the last time you went to the grocery store. If you don't go to the grocery store, talk to your parents. I guarantee that they have been since all of this started, and have some stories to tell about how different it was. So that's your journal entry today. In science, we are looking again at the respiratory system. So today you have a page from ducksters.com. You're going to read that page. Down at the bottom, there is a hyperlink that says, click here to take the quiz. I want you to click there, take that quiz. It's just 10 multiple choice questions. And then after you're done, you hit, I believe it says done, and then it shows you your score. So I want you to take a screenshot of that score and either email it to me or send it to me in a Google chat so that I can record what score you got on that. And then also there's a respiratory system Kahoot for you to do. We're trying a Kahoot today. And then again, there's a mindfulness exercise. Today's is from Go Noodle. I thought we would try a Go Noodle today. It's one of their relaxing ones. And it's one that I really like. I've done it before and I like it a lot. So I hope you enjoy that. And I hope that I see all of you at 1 o'clock. I can't wait to talk to you. All right. Have a great morning. I'll see you soon.